Look how much Tiger likes Vincent's dirty clothes. He's rolling in them. He's rubbing his face on them. Cookie doesn't like it. What's wrong, Cookie? I think he really likes his shirt.
Oh, I could have washed this with his jeans.
Whoops. Look at Tiger.
Can I put these with his
Shut up, I'm making a movie. Look at Tiger. Let's watch Cookie. Cookie, say hi. Are you mad because the camera is on Tiger? Whatever. Back to Tiger. Tiger really likes Vincent's clothes. Where does think he wants that shirt? Tiger, do you want that shirt? Looks like he wants it. We're gonna let him have it. Let's zoom up in on him.